It's a hard pitch. Batsmen would have to be wary of the extra bounce on offer here. However, once they settle down, the ball should come nicely onto the bat. Captain has won the toss and selected to field first. These players will be taking the field today. Both teams look balanced and eager to perform.
Ladies and gents, please stand up for the national anthems.
Welcome everyone to this wonderful venue. We have the umpires walking out with the new ball in their hand. Pace bowler into the attack. The bowler has the new ball. We're all set to go for the first ball of the innings. Well, he has to bowl that one again. Good shot for a single. He really had to reach for the ball to collect it. Turned away for a single. Bullseye! What a throw, flat and fast. Very good running between the wickets. Good backing up by the fielder. Shows how involved he is in the game. Squeeze a single there. Good running. Found the gap beautifully and then again. Gorgeous shot. Found the middle of the bat there. This must be hurting the captain. He needs his bowler to be more disciplined with his lines. But it seems like the bowler prefers to bowl from this end. Well, that is glorious. Absolutely glorious. Perfect timing. There's such a wonderful crowd in to watch their favorite players. Good shot for a single. Oh, he's thrown it wide. Turned away for a single. Good shot, but cannot get it past the fielder. Very good running between the wickets. Squeeze a single there, good running. Lucky not to have conceded more runs. And the batting power play comes to an end. Good shot for a single. He decided to bowl that from round the wicket. Turned away for a single. You need to try and make them work really hard for each run. This kind of a fielding effort is really not going to help them. Good aggressive intent shown by the batsman. Very good running between the wickets. I tell you what, he uses the crease well to play the spinners. Beauty from the bowler, zips past the edge. That was a moral victory for the bowler. Beautiful placement, he knows exactly where the fielders are. That was a good ball and equally well played by the batsman. Spinner brought back from the other end. There's such a wonderful crowd in to watch their favourite players. And that's going to be for all right. Sweet timing. The batters need to start taking a few risks now. Scoring rate at the moment is a crawl. Good shot for a single. Very well played, just working on the field where the gaps are. Played into the gap, should be able to run two here. That was a poor throw. Needs to be a lot more accurate. It's a full house here, and what an atmosphere we've had for this match. Turned away for a single. I tell you what, the slow ball won't be a bad option on this pitch. He didn't get any timing on that one. Oh, beats the edge, and the batsman has played all around that one. Pace bowler now into the attack. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. Oh, that's beautifully done by the batsman. Exquisite timing. That's an amazing shot. Beautiful timing. Well placed into the gap, possible two. This is poor fielding. They can't leak out runs like this. Fans would be disappointed. Dazzling batting by this duo. The captain needs to come up with a plan to break this partnership. The captain would definitely feel let down by the effort. Fielders are expected to support the bowler. Need to keep things really tight. Excellent running between the wickets. Glorious, absolutely glorious. Very important to keep wickets in hand, because in the death overs, they'll have that security. Good shot for a single. Last ball coming up. End of the first inning won't be long before we resume this thrilling contest. The fielding side looks warmed up and ready to go. Pace bowler into the attack. That's gone high. Good shot for a single. Shot, lovely shot right from the middle of the bat. This must be hurting the captain. He needs his bowler to be more disciplined with his lines. Oh, that's good. Not good if you're a batsman. In the air. This time should be taken. And it's taken. Batsman takes the long walk back to the pavilion. That was some smart bowling, enticing the batsman to play at that one. That was fantastic piece of bowling. Good bowling, it beats him all ends up. The batsman should watch the ball closely and get in line at the ball. Four runs, plays into the gap fabulously. This must be hurting the captain. He needs his bowler to be more disciplined with his lines. Excellent dive. Superb reflexes. That could well be the catch of the match. The fielding side is ecstatic after that breakthrough. Looks frustrated as he takes a long walk back to the pavilion. Impressed by the field sets by the captain is making the batsman play false shots. Poor ball, but that's a sensational shot. That's going to be four. That was a good ball and equally well played by the batsman. Magnificent striking from the batsman. That's a beautiful shot. And in the gap too. The bowler is looking furious. Is a short ball coming? Oh, that's nasty. Right with the body. Bowlers can actually get extra bounce by bowling cutters on this pitch. Oh, that's the beauty of a delivery. The bowler really unlucky to not get an edge on that one. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. Beauty from the bowler, zips past the edge. Well, the captain has decided taking the pace of the ball is a good way to go. Well, that brings us to the end of the power play. Fielding captain can now have more fielders outside the inner circle. Oh, beats the edge, and the batsman has played all around that one. Batsman losing his concentration there. That's fiery from the bowler. Well, the captain has been very smart with his bowling changes. Good shot for a single. That was a poor throw. Needs to be a lot more accurate. It's a full house here, and what an atmosphere we've had for this match. Stumped brilliantly by the keeper. The umpire raises the finger. A long walk back to the pavilion. Doesn't look happy at all. That was fantastic piece of bowling. Couldn't time that well as you would have liked. That's a quick throw right on top of the stumps. It'll be interesting to see what pace he'll bowl at. Oh, well bowled, a ripper. Slim pickings at the moment. The batsmen need to up the gear a bit. Shouts of catch it, but nobody will. That's 6 runs. I tell you what, he uses the crease well to play the spinners. Great shot, middles it and penetrates the gap for 4. Looks in good batting form. Cracking delivery, almost unplayable. Batsman losing his concentration there. That struck beautifully. Terrific shot that. That was a good ball and equally well played by the batsman. Will he take him on again? Let's see. Nobody's chasing that. That's going to be a terrific 4. That's an amazing shot. Beautiful timing. There's such a wonderful crowd in to watch their favorite players. That's fiery from the bowler. Very important to keep wickets in hand, because in the death overs, they'll have that security. That's fiery from the bowler. Well, the batsman sees that one early, gets into a great position, got it from the meat of the bat. There is a little bit on the surface for the bowlers. It is also good for batting. Slim pickings at the moment. The batsmen need to up the gear a bit. In the air. No, that's put down. That's going to be painful for the bowler. He deserved a wicket there. Very important to keep wickets in hand, because in the death overs, they'll have that security. Oh, well bowled, a ripper. Last ball coming up. Picked and deposited out of the park for a 6. That's a clean strike. They put a good all-round performance today, bowled well to defend their total. They've earned the victory.